Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forward Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I've been using the iPhone 15 Pro for the last 48 hours, and I just want to give y'all an update on my experiences with it so far. But before I get into this review or update on the iPhone 15 Pro, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I want to give you all an update on my experiences with the iPhone 15 Pro. I've been using it for about 48 hours now, and there are some things I really enjoy about the phone. There's some annoying things that I want to bring up coming from like an Android user about iOS. Also, just have a friendly discussion with everyone in the comments. Look, I'm not here to bash iOS at all. I'm going to just give you my perspective coming from someone that uses an Android phone every single day and trying to get used to iOS. But let's get into it. I don't want to try to make this video too long, but the first thing is the build quality of this phone and all the iPhone Pro Maxes. Is this titanium is great as far as looks. I love the blue color. I'm a big fan of it. It kind of changes. It just looks really nice. I do like the sides and everything. I just love how it's almost like a matte finish. It really is a matte finish. But even though I've seen the white and the black, they all look great. And just the build and how you hold this phone is really great. I'm enjoying that as much as anything else. Also, something else I'm enjoying is the cameras on here. They shoot some great 4K at 60 video. The mics might not be the best as far as when it comes to wind noise, but overall, 4K at 60 and 30 has been great. I'm trying to work on just like a 4K video test, and I looked at the footage. It is beautiful. It looks great. No wonder a lot of people talk about the video quality on the iPhones, and a lot of people use iPhones to make their videos on YouTube and stuff. So, yeah, the quality of the videos are top notch. The display on here is beautiful. No problems with the display at all. I love the colors. I love watching YouTube on here. I mean, Netflix, everything looks great. The display is a beautiful panel. The bezels are very slim on the sides too, which I didn't bring up in my unboxing, but the overall experience of this display has been really good, and I do enjoy it. I mean, it's a beautiful display. Also, just how smooth iOS is and how everything runs and works, it's really great. I mean, it really runs smooth. The games play really good so far. Like coming from Android and using the iPhone for the last couple of days, one of the cool features is FaceTime. I can call my mom and actually see her and not try to get her to download a different app, or even my kids, which, you know, the kids can easily download a different app, but who wants to do that? So having an iPhone doing FaceTime has been good too. So I do enjoy that about it. Battery life, I'm still testing it out. Still trying to get used to it. It did burn up pretty quick yesterday when I was shooting 4K video, which is not a big deal. I knew it was going to happen. It always happens that way with any phone I use. So the battery life should be really good. I mean, it shouldn't have any problems with battery life as far as what I'm seeing here. I don't think you will see any complaints from people. Even on the 15 Pro, if you have the Pro Max, I think people are saying good battery life also. The A17 Bionic chip is good. I mean, it's quick. That's what Apple is known for, being quick, smooth, no complaints there. Now you're going to say, Forrest, what do you have some complaints about? And the complaint is really iOS itself. Just the things that is not normal, or I mean, I guess it's normal to iOS, but not to Android, and I'm used to it. If iOS is the only phone I use, then yes, I would be used to it. It's not a big deal. But the first thing is just face unlock. My phone is unlocked, but I still have to swipe up from the bottom to get to my main screen. Again, if I even unlock it, if I try to swipe up here, it brings up notifications. I have to swipe, and there's not an option so I can turn that on. I know it's not a big deal. I know this is not for the Apple fanboys of YouTube or Twitter to come after me and say, oh, you just complaining. It's not that. If you are looking from Android to iOS and you're looking to switch, I'm making this video for you. That is one of the annoying things too. Let me show you another one too. The next thing that's annoying, if I'm looking at my photos, I'm gonna swipe right to get to the next photo, right? Swipe right, swipe right. What is swiping left? Like, that is just so different, I guess, because I'm not used to it. And it just annoys me. I don't know, something about it. Swiping to the right swiping left to get to the pictures that I took past. I don't know. I tried it on my Z Fold 5 and I'm just used to swiping this way and keep on going to the next video or photos. That is just some of the annoying things. The other thing is, yes, I can make folders finally, but if I want to put this folder over here, I just, why, y'all? Why? Why can't I move it? Why can't I move wherever app I want to move to wherever I wanted to move it to? So I know it's not a major thing. It's not a big deal. And I know I'm coming from Android, and I know that you want the operating systems to be different. But let us do some things that we can do. Make the transition a little bit easier for someone coming from from Android to iOS, or even the other way too. So some of the things on iOS are annoying and just not easy. It's still not easy to transfer files from your iPhone directly to your PC, unless you have like an external hard drive, which makes it pretty easy, but you have to learn how to do that. But overall, y'all, look, I'm not here to bash this thing. If you're an iPhone fan, if you've been using iPhones for a while, if you have like the iPhone 10 or 11, pick up the 15 or 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max. Get the latest and greatest, because just look at that blue. You wouldn't be disappointed in the upgrades. I love the cameras on here. No, the Pro doesn't have the 5x zoom on here, but you know, it does a great job with the cameras on here too. So overall, yes, I'm enjoying my experiences. Stay tuned to the channel. I will update y'all with anything else that either annoys me or I really enjoyed about this phone. I also have some more cases coming out, so stay tuned for that. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you have something you want to say it in the comments. Let's have a friendly discussion. Follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.